As you walk up to this 3,300 square foot Brenton floor plan, you'll appreciate the curb appeal and fine detail of the beautiful brick and stone masonry. The beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5-bath home opens up to the most well-laid-out open space imaginable. As you step through the elegant foyer, you'll notice the large formal living and dining area for all of your home gatherings. Just past the large curved staircase is a dream kitchen that includes a large center island, stainless steel appliances, a gas range, double ovens, custom cabinets, and breakfast nook with large windows for an abundance of natural light. Right off this breakfast nook is the spacious family room with high ceilings, hardwood flooring, and a spectacular custom fireplace. The owner's suite, located on the ground floor, offers a spacious private getaway with high vaulted ceilings and spacious reading area. You'll really be amazed by the luxurious master bath with quality amenities including a relaxing garden tub, separate shower, and dual vanities with granite countertops. As you ascend the staircase, you'll be amazed by the size of the game room and the additional secondary bedrooms with adjacent baths. First Texas Homes offers a variety of different floor plans, and we can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth. Contact a First Texas Home sales consultant in the community of your choice to find out more about building the Brenton floor plan or purchasing one of our move-in ready homes.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas Homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.